red moon, bro. You see that? I think I gotta get it as observable on the right side. Yo, that's a red moon, bro. It looks like that's a red moon. That's a red moon, man. Wow, look at nature doing its work. Wow, that's crazy. Yeah, red moon for sure. Nature getting its stuff done. Peace, love, and light. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification, you dig. Great Granddad's Day. Out here walking my DOG. Oh, snap. Water bottle's cold. But yeah, if you guys want to book a one-on-one consultation, you can do that by sending an email at info@healingthroughinspiration, or you can DM us at healingthroughinspiration. You dig? Or you can get one of our courses too. We got a business course there. Check us out. You know what we're about. Hey. What's your name? Hey. Oh, is this still Zoom? I'm sorry. It was just a smudge. But yeah, you guys know that. What y'all gonna see? We got our artwork at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. Great apparel. You know, it's a great day. It's real rich. You know, feel real breezy though. Feels very breezy. Man's like it a lot. You dig what I'm saying? Did it end? Oh, I thought the video ended. Sorry. Because I was putting my bottle. Feels a lot better in this pocket. I had a cold bottle of water. It was freezing on my leg. But yeah, just enjoying this breeze, man. I'm grateful at times, like, because I feel like, you know, I've even said it. Maybe if I didn't have my dog, I wouldn't go as much walks. You know, go outside, get some fresh air, some clarity. But you know, like I said, I went to the store, still went in there, no mask. You know, so like, man, look at my man with the spinner on his bike. Spinner bike, hold up. Y'all better see it. Y'all see that? You feel me? Looking like that in that bees. But yeah. But yeah. Really get to take this in, enjoy this breeze. Yeah, we're restocking stuff. But yeah, I went to the stuff. It's a long time since I've been there, you know. But one of the things I did notice when I went there, because I went to that store, they charged like almost about 4 times the rate of other stores than for the quinoa, and you know they could do that because they're business, most definitely. So, but they do it like that, and the price even went up more. So I can say maybe. Let me see. Probably like at least half. Let me say that. Half the price. Like 2 times the price, I should say. They charge this stuff 2 times. No, maybe 4. 2, 3, yeah. Most definitely more though. They can do that because of their business. And I just started to think like, you know, if you guys are just too comfortable with this 9 to 5, you know, the value of $1, it goes down less and less every year. Every year, you know, let's say if you make $1 a year, hypothetically speaking, and you only get paid $1, and you want to get yourself a bottle of water. So if you get yourself a bottle of water for $1, and then next year when inflation goes up, like to $1.03 or $1.11, or $1.03, next year you won't be able to get that bottle of water. That's inflation. Inflation constantly goes up, and I think some of the people are just too comfortable because this stuff a lot of times people talking this stuff in the store that's going up. And I mean, I don't spend too much time in there, but I most definitely noticed. I definitely noticed that the stuff is going up. So I'm like, hey, you see we growing a little garden. Probably should have grown some more, but it's always best to get started. You know what I'm saying? Gotta get bigger lands and whatnot. Gotta get bigger land. Gotta go somewhere warmer. Because that's supposed to be growing all year. Really supposed to be growing all year. I hear that. Shoot. It's a very powerful day. Powerful day. Da. I think I forgot to tell y'all. Man, I got a call one day. I woke up and it was this number. I'm like, who the heck is this? And it was like, hi, this is such and such from corporate, and we want to know if you want to come back to your job. I said, huh? I just woke up, and I'm like, do you know if you're going to be coming back to your job? I'm like, I don't know. She's like, okay, well, how about you let me know? How about I let you know? I'll call you back on Monday. Here, I think it's Monday. It's Tuesday now. They ain't getting no call from them. I'm like, what the frick? These motherfuckers, they never called to let me and tell me that when this stuff was going to be closed. When this stuff was going to be closed. You know what I'm saying? This job, this business. Or whatever, it was closed. Because when it was Corona times, I actually had to walk to that job. Had to walk to that job, you dig? And look what happened. I walked to the job. So me walking to the job, and then it was closed. Nobody's answering their phones even before when I walked there. So it's just like y'all didn't have the audacity to tell me that it was closed. Y'all never sent me an email, a text, a call, a phone call, a voicemail, none of that. But yet when it comes to y'all want me to go back there, y'all think I'm supposed to be wearing a little bottle, dressing up. Had a dress up job. Get the frick up out of here, nigga. These bitch ass people, these phony ass people. And want me to wear a mask, nigga? Indoors, nigga? Y'all want me to stop getting oxygen, nigga? This don't even sit right with me. My stomach turned. Oh my fuck. Look at the fucking deer. Please tell me y'all can see that on camera. Let me turn the brightness all the way up. Turn the brightness. Yo, the deer awake at this time? Can y'all see that? Cut the light up. No, it's too far away. Look at that deer. You know deer are never alone. Oh, it's got antlers. I think it's got antlers. It's dark. Look at the rabbits too. Oh, the rabbits are deep. Wow. I'm sorry, I'm zoomed in. He turned around. Deer be up at this time, yo? I mean, shoot. Wow. Hope it's very saturated, the sky right now, so it's probably why y'all couldn't see it. Oh, that was crazy. But yeah, as I was saying with this job, dude, they thinking I'm supposed to go see this thing. I'm supposed to go to this job where it's just like wearing a mask, and I'm saying F that. And this is a follow up, I guess in the video when I saw, when I left the job. F that, just doesn't even feel right to me. I think we gotta go more with our gut, and I'm just saying this to y'all as well. Like, gotta go on my gut. Like, what the frick we doing working these jobs? These motherfuckers don't like us. Paleface don't even like us. Like, the frick out of here. Even the co-workers too, disingenuous people. I'm like, man, get the frick up out of here. Making my stomach turn. Can't, you're really hindering your own health being around these motherfuckers. Especially that's not right about themselves, you dig? Nature in the forest. So we are nature. Our skin is the same color as the soil, and our hair grows as the trees. You dig? Oh wow, that's dang. They putting people's stuff out. Oh my gosh. Not a pleasant sight to see. But yeah, you guys know, if you guys want to book a one-on-one consultation, you do that by sending us the email info at healingthroughinspiration. Watch your step, as Glass says. People don't want to walk. People don't want to be cautious. They want to litter. Like I said, these trashy people. But yeah. You know what? But make sure you send us an email info at healingthroughinspiration. You guys want to go to our courses, check out our one-of-a-kind artwork. You can do that. healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. Did it rain or something? Where is this water coming from? Is it coming down from there? Y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification. Whoa! Hit the bell notification.